Mumbai, which is of course a deal that's in the works between Future Capital and Deccan Chronicle. Deccan Chronicle all set to buy out Pantaloons' stake in Future Capital for about 700 crores. That's a story that you read first up this morning in your Economic Times, and we understand the deal is likely to be signed later today. We've got Megha Chadda with all the analysis. Megha?
Thanks for that. Well, Sandeep, as you mentioned, the deal is in the pipeline, and we've got our sources have been telling us that it is likely to be signed by about 3 p.m. in the afternoon today. And we're seeing that counter of Future Capital Holdings up by about over 9% in the session right now, close to the day's highs. In terms of the volume action also, this is, we've seen volumes of close to 27 times of the last 5-day average. So let's discuss about the deal a little bit more. We've got the fact that Pantaloons, which owns about 53.6% stake in Future Capital Holdings, they have reportedly sold their stake to Deccan Chronicle Holdings for about 700 crore rupees. Given that Future Capital Holdings market cap entirely is worth around in the 900 to 950 crore region, it's quite a smart premium that Future Group has got on this particular deal. Not just that, what's expected is that the Future Group would be using these proceeds to retire the outstanding debt on their books. Specifically, Pantaloons has a consolidated debt of about 7,800 crore. That was as of the end of June quarter. So quite a hefty burden is what they've got on the balance sheet, and expectations are that these proceeds would be used to retire that debt. Not just that, we also had another deal come in where, we had Future Group, this was also reported in the Economic Times, where Future Group has sold 26% stake in the Future Generali Life to IITL for about 250 to 300 crores. So all in all, Future Group looking to mop up about 1,000 crore rupees via these two sales. And, brokerages are also reacting rather positively to this news. We had UBS coming out with a note talking about how they're reiterating a buy on Pantaloons. And the fact that this 1,000 crore rupees that's going to be raised, if it's used to retire the debt that Pantaloons has on its books, we could see an upside on the EPS target for FY12 by about 15%. So all in all, they're also talking about how the divestments have not really been factored into the stock price. Of course, all in all, it's providing good cheer to those counters in today's session.